So first of all, I want to look at the forex calendar. So let's have a look. So today, Monday, Tuesday, no news. Wednesday, we got FOMC. Thursday, we got unemployment claims. So Thursday is very happening. Wait, I remember ICT say something about Jackson Hole Possum. Okay, let's have a look at it. Jackson Hole Possum, very familiar. Jackson. Switch. Jackson. Okay. So on Jackson Hole Possum week, when news occur at Wednesday, Friday, treat it like NFP week and then trade on Monday. Wow, guys. So today, guys, is what? Jackson. It's the Jackson, okay? The Jackson. Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, very happening. So today we're gonna trade on Monday, okay? So let's open the charts. And always start your analysis with the weekly chart. Daily, 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 daily. Okay, so anyway, this is the weekly chart. And then, first of all, what we're gonna do is this. Okay. So on the weekly chart, this is the previous 2 week high. So we shall change it. So where are we likely to go? Up or down? Okay, where are we likely to go? Let me delete all irrelevant stuff first. So looking at this chart right here, where are we likely to go? Okay, so first I'll draw this weekly C week here. 6488.25. Okay, so let's draw it out. Okay, so this is the weekly C week. And how did last week close? So last week closed below this old weekly high. So that's important. So basically, let's go down 1 minute chart, draw out the new opening gap. Yeah, and 3:30. What about 3:30? 3:30 is generally the London session turning point. Okay. Okay, so always every week we start with drawing the new week opening gap. So close, close here, yellow color. That's my new week opening gap color. So put 18/8 new day. Okay, then we clone it. Then opening price is here. Then we lock it. Okay. Then we go back to the daily chart. So on weekly chart, at the moment, where is price likely to draw to? Okay, this weekly C week. So we're gonna see this weekly C week as well. Okay, so you're gonna draw this 6457.75. So I'm expecting this weekly C week to support. Okay, 6457.75. I would like to change the color for this one. Maybe this color. Okay, good. So now at the moment, looking at this chart, where are we likely to reach for this weekly C week, and we shall see what kind of reaction we're gonna get. Okay, so when we are bullish, what we're gonna be focusing on is, but at the moment looks bearish also because this candle closed below the swing high, and right now we reach up, failed to reach the C wick, rejects lower. So we're gonna see the upper. Do we have any reaction at the upper quadrant level also? Okay. Okay, so 6477.75. We will note that going down to the lower chart, 6477.75. Just to see if there's any reaction. Okay, let's go daily chart now. Okay, so daily chart looks rather. Okay, so this is basically the daily BC. I refine it to the weekly BC. Okay, so yep, this daily C week is where I'm expecting to support. So here you can see we have sell side here. So definitely right now I'm expecting price to reach for there. Okay, and reach for there, then find support. So we can do a short scalp aiming for this low. Okay, this will definitely be some form of sell side. And yep, this is the 4-hour BC, and this is the sell side. So what sell side is this? This is 6 o'clock sell side. And yeah, we cleared previous day low here. So many things go, many lines, so bear with me. It's very important to know what the high time frame is doing. So we cleared previous day's low. Okay, we cleared previous day's low, and at the moment, the daily low here is likely to draw. The weekly C week here is also likely to draw. But we clear sell side, so where's buy side? So buy side right now is lying here. And this is Friday PM buy side to where? So we traded at the new week opening gap. Here form a CB, trades lower. So right now the crosshairs is this weekly C week, this daily low, okay? And this daily low is basically last Thursday AM session low. So put the time as well. So at the moment, what I'm expecting is lower prices. Okay. Because definitely when you look at the weekly chart, right, things are looking pretty bullish. So things are looking bullish on the daily chart. We shall see how we react at this 4 BC here. Because we cleared daily sell side already. And not this week's 6459.25. Okay, so at 4 hour C week we supported 6459.25. Let's delete it and draw it properly. Okay, so you can see we came down to 4 C week supported here. Like we see some rejection. Sorry, it's not the 4 hour, it's the 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour C week have rejection, cleared sell side. So okay, the Friday AM session sell side. Fair value gap, touch the end dot and trades lower. Rejected at the C week. Hmm. This might be an immediate rebalance to see lower prices into the daily lows here. So right now I'm uncertain on where price want to reach, so no trades is going to be taken. So here you can see it's a balanced price range. Feels like an immediate rebalance to me. Look at this C week supported, now close below, so we can expect rejection here. We displace below the end dot. So displacement fair value gap and watching the weekly C week here. So where is premium of this range? We can enter a trade with the premium of this range. Here to here. So it's this CB on top. Okay. Dollar got buy side here, definitely. So we might want to draw back to the new week opening gap here. Buy side here. Cause sell side is cleared, so we will see if we want to reach for the buy side here. Then because as I say on the daily chart is bullish, so what I'm going to wait for is we trade through the daily previous day low. So right now we're going to wait for a displacement. Okay, so expecting higher prices. So the weeklies to the weekly C week here. So right now we got buy side here. I think we should bump a bit above. We can see BC supporting here. So Nash, so dollar just looks pretty positive to the upside. Remember when it's so close, it would be like a magnet like that, okay? Plus we cleared sell side, so next draw is aim for the buy side here. So we cleared previous day low sell side, touch the 1 hour CA wick, and as you can see, we got a BC here, a CB inversion fair value gap here, and buy side is here right now. Getting close to 350 macro. And yeah, look at here, it's just too clean. Sell side here, buy side is here. And so the small scalp that I'm going to be doing is basically this BC here for the fair value here at the previous day low, or this CB here. So what I'm going to do is we're going to put a long position here. Actually on here also can. Anyway, now look at the order flow. Sell side cleared, form a BC, but I wasn't trading into, form a CB, close above it, came down to it, shoots higher, small fair value gap. So from this fair value gap to this end dot, new week opening gap can be a trade. See 6464 to 6467, 3 handles. Then here is buy side 6468, 4 handles. Yeah, wait for displacement, okay? Displacement. Be patient. I'm gonna wait until 5 o'clock. So the next trade idea is if we can close above this end dot, we're gonna see this this CV fill in. The best trade will be if we can displace above here, okay? From further gap. So Nasdaq higher low, and when so S&P lower low, when Nasdaq higher low, and Dow also going higher, dollar going lower, got sell side sitting here, here, well buy side is on top here. So right now not really clear, but on $1 we have displacement, fair value gap respecting it now. So look at the sell size here. Oh, this is balanced price range. So yeah, what I'm going to do is just this, okay? Here, if you get this fair value gap, then we good one. But now you can see this inversion fair value gap. Okay, once again, bumps down to it. Six four six three. Let's say stop loss has to be here. One more minute to the 350 macro. Anyway, let's put the implied dealing range from here up to this buy side. Okay, so discount, this CB is inside the discount, so we can consider it as a discount array. Yeah, basically here could have been a trade just now as you traded into it. Sorry, here could have been a long trade. Then stop loss just placed right below this fair value gap. Take profit here, 5.25 points, and that is basically it. Okay, so let's create the order. No, I'm still gonna be demo. Okay, this is August. Only next month I'm gonna try starting live fund. Create limit order. Oh, it's be so much fun. Okay, so that is basically it. 350 macro entering at this CB fair value gap. Why is that? Because if I pull from here, from here up to this very difficult high that I'm aiming for, you can see that this CB is right in the discount. So basically that's where I'm gonna enter. And right now we are sort of forming a very difficult low. See if we will trade into this CB, and if we trade into the CB, I'm gonna just add another contract there. And this is the previous day low, okay? Market structure shift where you get. And let's say if you pull from here to here, where's the discount? The discount is inside here. Okay, so this is the BC. This is the BC in the area from pull up to here. This is the discount range. So dollar is pulling higher. Get the buy side. So that means be very patient, no problem. Okay, I'm gonna just get here. If you don't give me, no problem. Because the fact that dollar is pulling higher, that tells me that okay, we are not that in that really low resistance, so you can expect a better entry. And so this is the 3-minute chart. Still got this inversion fair value gap here. Anyways, this fair value gap that I'm seeing. If you don't get it, so be it, you know. So yeah. So till we just come back and see, okay, if we get this inversion fair value gap or this one. Okay, see if we get filled or not. Almost there. Almost there here. Okay, just a little bit more. So you trade into the 3-minute CBD. Okay, so there we go. So the stop loss, just put the stop loss below this swing low. Because this is 3-minute chart. So let's put at this swing low here. So we are at the previous day low, so we got filled already. So right now, let's see if we will get the price hike here. But anyway, lowest hanging fruit is first the current new week opening gap here. Then second is only the buy side there. Okay, so let's just put. So I'm just gonna put it here. Just one tick below it. Okay, yeah, that's it. Dollars pulling higher, Nasdaq's pulling lower. The trade not looking that good. Not looking really good, the trade. Uh, eh, hmm. So this is the 4-hour BC low. Anyway, the trade is not looking that good, to be honest. Feeling really uncomfortable seeing like how price is reacting. Just like I see Nasdaq firm below it. Anyway, just submit to the trade, right? Uh, because like Nasdaq is really firm downside. I mean, this trade is already feeling uncomfortable with the trade. Why is that? Look at this CB here. Respected go lower. Then here this CB respecting it again. So right now, and we close below this BCI so entry AD. I'm just gonna close the trade, guys. Okay, so that's it for today. Today is a losing day, lose small, and yeah, later come back. Okay, that's why when you feel uncomfortable, you should just exit the trade, enter this BC, and exit it. Decided to exit it, keep very small, and bam, lower. So as I said on the weekly chart, I was aiming bearish. Like if you see the starting, I was saying that I'm gonna aim this day weekly C week here. As I draw, I was looking at it and the daily C week here. So guys, as you can see, this is the London session one. Okay, and right now until now we didn't really move much at all. So but what can we see is that we rejected support at the 4-hour upper quadrant of the BC here, form a failure gap here, and see if we continue higher, then we'll probably reach for this dealing range here. This is the first CB, so look at this CB here. So this one I'm saying from here down to this swing low. Okay, so the 0.5 level is here. Okay, here. So the first PD array in premium, 0.5 right at the new opening gap is this CB here. So still look to the upside, because remember we look at the weekly chart, and then for the weekly chart at the moment thing is looking bearish, but yeah, this is the daily chart, and basically yeah, this is the weekly CB week that I'm saying to hold support. So yeah, and we cleared previous daily low, so we shall see.